Don't you know, it is getting hard, hard, hard. I need secrets to be a prince.
So today we are in a little town in the countryside of the Algarve called Alte. I used to study here before. I was coming here every single day for 3 years, and this town is very touristic, and it's a very nice town because there's a fountain here in the middle of the mountain. People can swim here during the summer. This is amazing, and it leads to a waterfall down there. So we're gonna check the waterfall later on in the video, but for now I'm just gonna show you this part of the fountain. Check it out. Alright guys, so this one is not the waterfall I was telling you about. The waterfall I was telling you about is way down there. It's big and it's very nice. The fountain is just there and it accumulates the water here, and I used to study here for 3 years, as I told you guys. And every time we get some time off, this will be the spot I used to come for swim. The water is quite cold because it comes straight from the mountain, but it's very nice. Let's keep going.
Don't you know, it is getting hard, hard, hard. I need secrets to be a prince, Don't you know, it is getting hard.
We came to the last stop of today, and this is the waterfall. To come here, guys, you guys have to come behind the cemetery here, and you can go around through a small road that there is. You can walk there. You cannot take cars, or you can come through this place, which it's quite steep, and you have to be very careful. I don't advise if you guys have children to come here. So the waterfall is there. My mom and dad, they're already halfway, so let's go. This waterfall is very nice, and has been years that I don't come here. It reminds me a lot of stuff because I used to study here, and I don't come here for I don't know, probably 4 or 5 years already. It's just beautiful. So if you guys enjoyed this place, it's in Alte. It's if you have to search the specific place, is Queda do Vigario. I'll put the name just here under the video and in the description as well. So if you guys enjoyed, you want to come here. Usually there's not many people here because not many people know about this place, and it's very beautiful. So see you guys in my next trip. See ya.
Então, era filmar, estou a filmar.
Don't you know